After powering off the phone, you can remove the bottom two pentalobe screws that anchor the back glass onto it. Once the screws are removed, the back glass can be removed by pushing it up until it becomes detached and is able to be pulled away from the phone. Before continuing with the repair, the battery should be unclipped. To unclip the battery, you'll need to remove the two Phillips screws that assist in holding it in. When removing the clip, you'll want to be aware of the metal ground that will be free when the clip is removed, which you'll also want to keep. To access the back camera, you'll have to remove the shield that covers the various clips for the phone. There will be 4 screws that will need to be removed, though they're unique, so you'll want to keep close track of them. To remove the shield, you'll want to pry underneath the top portion of it and pull downward, as there are a few hooks that are embedded into the board. Now that the shield is off, you should simply just have to unclip the back camera and lift it out. To attach the new camera, you'll first have to lay it into the frame and clip it in. Once it's secured, the shield can be replaced by inserting the hooks of the bottom portion first, and then laying it down over the rest of the clips. Replacing the screws will secure it in completely. After the shield is secure, you'll want to clip the battery back in after replacing the ground that was taken out earlier. After carefully aligning it, the clip for the battery can be laid back on top of the ground, and the 2 Phillips screws for the clip can be replaced. Replacing the back glass is as easy as aligning it in the same position that it was in after pushing it up, and pushing it back down into the housing. To fully secure it in, replace the 2 pentalobe screws, which will complete the repair.